Hello everyone. This will be a quick video on Lab2 where you'll be submitting a research outline and a PowerPoint. So if we start at the assignments section in our course, we can click on Lab2 Research Project 1C. If we take a look at the handout, we can get started. So quickly, the directions. In your last lab, you finalized your research question and found at least 3 valid sources of information for each group member section. The next step is to organize the results of your research. For this lab, you will summarize and organize your content for a presentation and draft paper for peer review by your classmates. The first step is to develop an outline and then transform the outline into a PowerPoint presentation. This will help you develop your research paper. This lab is broken up into 4 steps. Step 1 would be to create a Word file with your research project outline. Step 2 is to name your file according to this template here. Step 3 is to start working on your PowerPoint presentation that you will be presenting during your next lab. So not the lab of this week, but the lab of next week. And finally, you're going to submit your Word document, 1 per group. And we're asking you guys to submit the PowerPoint presentation as a PDF. So if we look at the rubric, the first 9 points is for your research project outline. And so the outline will roughly look like this. You'll have some bullets, maybe stating some of the background information, and then your actual topic, and then each subtopic. So you should have a subtopic for each member, and then each subtopic has its own points, and these will be the references you guys researched last week. And so each point will be a reference, and there you can sort of summarize and explain your reference a little bit. And finally, the last point will be the progress on the PowerPoint. And so for this, we're asking you guys to submit a PDF of the PowerPoint, and that will serve as proof of the progress you're making on the presentation. And to do that real quick, if you have your PowerPoint and you're on Windows, you can go to File. You go to the File tab, and then you can export your presentation as a PDF. And if you're on Mac, it works more or less the same. You open up your PowerPoint presentation, you can go to File, Save As, and then you save as a PDF. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your lab.